You have a question that asks how many seconds are in 3 days. There are a couple of ratios you got to kind of be familiar with. In 1 day, they're 24 hours. 1 hour, they're 60 minutes. And in 60 seconds is 1 minute. Okay. So first you're going to take your thing you're going to convert. So 3 days. So right, this is the dimensional analysis approach. Well, however you spell dimensional analysis. Okay. Basically, it's unit conversion. You're going to take your 3 days. Woohoo! Take anything and you're going to write it over 1. Now we're going to convert into seconds. So now I have to use these kind of concepts. And I'm going to do something in mathematics, which is cancellation. So when you have fractions, so I want to say, let's say I'm going to put 1 day on the bottom, 24 hours at the top. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want days to cancel out. And when you multiply fractions, day divided by a day would be 1. So I'm actually, if I wrote it the wrong way, then I would have day times day, which would be day squared. I don't want that. So now I got to go, now what's the next thing to go? So now I have hours. I get hours into seconds. So I'm going to guess 1 hour here. And let's say 60 minutes at the top. So now I still haven't done. I got to get into seconds. Now I'm going to do 60 seconds on top, 1 minute on bottom. If you did not do these ratios and you flipped them out the other way, you would not get the correct unit. Let's see what's going on. The correct units are, I cancel a day divided by a day, cancels out to 1. An hour divided by an hour cancels out to 1. 60 minutes cancels out with minutes, and they cancel out. So when I multiply my numerators together, I'm going to get 3 times 24 times 60 times 60. My unit is seconds because the days canceled out with this, the hours canceled out with here, and the minutes canceled out here. If I did this wrong and I put the hours on top and the minutes on the bottom, then I couldn't cancel the minutes out. I'd get like a minute squared here on the bottom. So that's my unit over here, seconds. And then the number on the bottom is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. Anything over 1 is the same number. So here you're going to put that in your calculator. You're going to get something seconds, and that will be your answer.